Hello, BEIT first semester students. First of all, welcome to BEIT. I'm Philip Heller, and I'll give you a short screencast on how to use the most basic features on Fronter. So again, welcome and enjoy. Okay, so when you first log into Fronter successfully, you will have some folders here on top. They might not be the same as mine, but you would in English here have the days folder with messages, some bookmarks, documents, rooms. What is interesting to note here for later on is if you scroll down, is that in Danish you will have påmindelser, in English reminders, which is actually a list of hand-ins and deadlines for hand-in. This is a very useful feature that will come in neat later on. Your first task would be to get access to your room, which will be your semester room. And you find that here in rooms. You go under all rooms here to the left, and you scroll down to your relevant room. You might not have as many rooms as here, but if you're, for example, an international student, you would find this room. You want to click here and add it as a favorite room. So that's a very good idea to add a room. It will then show up here in your favorites, and you can simply click your relevant room, and it will pop up here in the folders. What you would like to do afterwards is to pin your room so it will always appear when you log in. Okay, so let me give you a short tour of your semester room. It will follow you on all semesters. So once you have pinned your room or you have chosen your room, you will see the structure here on the left with some icons. Let's take it from the top left. You have your semester room, which is actually where we are now as a kind of front page, just the name of the room, and you'll see the latest documents, messages, and you can see the participants of this room. The participants, you have it also here in the bottom, the participants list, and you can look up a name, and here you go. This is actually also where you get the name. You have the name and email address of all your teachers. You can see that they have another access. They can delete where you can only write. You can actually hit a top menu and have your list sorted by that. So in the bottom actually you would have a full list of all your teachers. Let's take a look at what's probably more interesting, your first semester. That's how it looks here. You can click, there's a breadcrumb menu on top. I'll click on that. So what you see here is your intro week. You'll have relevant information here. Once we start your mentor portfolio, this way you have more information about that. And then you have your modules. We have 3 modules on first semester, and the 2 of them are already right here. This is how a module is structured. You have your topics here: business economy, communication, microeconomy, software construction, and software systems development. And the structure would probably be something like this. Then if you hit business economy, you will have a delivery folder. I'll show you what that is and help you make a first delivery. But you'll see more folders probably listed as lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and here you go with relevant material for that lesson. So this is the basic structure of each semester. You'll have your subjects and relevant material, and there will be a delivery folder, and just in a second I'll show you what a delivery is and how to do it. Okay, so let's move to your first hand-in. Let's get back to this delivery folder in business economy. If you hit that delivery folder, you'll see that I've now created assignment, a structure assignment for business organization. What you want to do is simply to click this delivery folder. Now you'll see a lot of names, but you'll only see your own name or no name, but just this top part of the window. And this is where you can upload a file, a single file, which would probably be your assignment, or you can even create a document or a link or something else. So I'll just upload a file, choose a simple file from my desktop, see if I have something. I have a document here. I'll open it and just click the save, and you have handed in here. That's my name. You can see it's been handed in. Later on you'll probably be able to see some comments from your teachers, and the symbol will move from indefinite to probably a check mark for a passed or a handed in document. Okay, so not all hand-ins are individual. Sometimes you hand in a group assignment, and I'll show you how to do that. Once you have handed in a document, you can click the little arrow and click Properties in English. And you can click this first menu here, which is a user menu, and you can hit, instead of individual, you can hit a group assignment, and this will fold out all the names of the entire class, and here you have to choose who the delivery is from. Probably I can't find my name here since I'm not a student, so let's imagine that we have Gustav and Lorena and Kevin handing in an assignment. You'll just click these three names and then hit save again, which will now give access for all the three of you to this assignment, and you can see that you have handed in this group assignment. So this was handing in group assignments. Remember that I told you that this days folder here at the left was pretty handy, and it is. So I'm just reading in now this days folder and scrolling down to reminders, and here you can see that you have your new hand-in down here with the deadline, hand-in for a very late deadline. This is not where it is. It's actually popped out because I handed in. But a second ago it would actually have appeared here on the 4th place. So don't forget to look into your days folder and check your reminders, because this is a hand-in list, pretty handy. Okay, before I finish off this very short walkthrough of a fronter, just the basics, I want to direct your attention to these personal tools, the second menu here on top, and this is a link to some interesting areas, especially your webmail. If you click that, it will be a login page to the Office 365. You log in, of course, with your student email and the password you got in your login letter. The other thing, which is also nice, is the UMS system, where you can reset your password. Can see that it didn't pop up here, so I will open it up independently. But this is your UMS self-service window, where you can actually change your password. Yeah, that's more or less it. The calendar we don't use in a lot. Literature, I wouldn't even know what it's about. You might have a student intranet with some interesting stuff, especially from IT, with some guides to how to print and stuff, you will find it here. Otherwise, don't hesitate to write me a message on Facebook if you have any problems, or you can contact IT Service Desk if you have severe problems at 4646 0046. But enjoy your first week, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Bye.